we're going to talk about domains, and we're going to talk about how you can add an external domain. So if you click on add an external domain, you would put in your domain name and what website you would like to connect it to. Okay, so if you own a domain name through GoDaddy or some other domain provider, you can connect your Now Site account to it. And I'll show you some examples here. I have the domain name, or I own the domain name through GoDaddy, BellaShoreDidIt.com, and I connected it to countdowntimer.now.site, and this was verified. Here, these three dots are some setup details here. So once you decide the domain name that you own from maybe GoDaddy or a different domain provider, you'll be given this information. So the type, the host, and then the value, and you want to update your DNS records. So I'll show you as an example. This is inside of my GoDaddy account, and you can see that I own that BellaShoreDidIt.com, and I'm going to click on that right here. And now that I've clicked on it, I'm going to scroll down here to somewhere that says Manage DNS. This works in every domain provider. You just want to go to that Manage DNS section. Okay, once you see that Manage DNS section, you are inside of your records, and you could see that Type A record here. And if you haven't already updated this, the value will say parked here. You can see I've already updated it, but the value will say parked, and you have this edit button here. And instead of, well, it would say type A host at, and then points to this, you would remember, go and grab the value that was added here, right? Once you clicked on save, and then those setup details will provide you that value here. Well, you can go to this points to and change it from parked to this here, whatever is given to you, and this stands for time to launch, and you would just click on save. Once you've updated it here, you can go through, you can click on close, and it will say pending as the status, and it takes about 24 hours to update. Okay, so now when I go to countdowntimer.now.site here as an example, I'm just going to go to countdowntimer.now.site. Here, you can see the website that comes up. You could see the address bar that comes up here, right? But here, I also changed it to that domain, BellaShoreDidIt.com. So if I don't want to share this with people, I want to share BellaShoreDidIt.com. I'm going to go to BellaShoreDidIt.com. And you can see here in the address bar, it says BellaShoreDidIt.com. This is the link that I can send to people now that I've added that external domain here, and the same exact website will come up, so you don't have to share that now.site link. So that's what you can do when you add an external domain, and that's how you would change it inside of your domain provider's account. You want to go to that Manage DNS and change that A record. So this is how you add an external domain. Thanks so much for watching.